Good day, kinder learners. It's me, Teacher Judy. Ready ka na bang matuto? Very good! Ngayon, matututunan mo ng bumasa ng CBC words gamit ang ating mga letters na pinag-aralan ng first term. Ang letter M, letter A, letter S, letter T, letter F, letter N, letter E, letter B, at letter C. At alam ko, alam ninyo ang mga sounds o tunog ng mga yan. Mamaya i-review din natin yan. Excited ka na ba? Okay, ayan. Tara, simulan na natin. Let's review the letter sounds. Moon. Next, ikaw naman. Hey, very good. Apple. Now it's your turn. Good job. Sunflower. Ngayon, ikaw naman. Magaling! Turtle. Now it's your turn. Okay, good job. Fish. Ngayon, ikaw naman. Very good. Nest. Ikaw naman. Egg. Ngayon, it's your turn. Very good. Ball. Ngayon, ikaw ulit. Magaling! At sa ating last slide, last letter, K. Cake. Now it's your turn. Good job! O, diba? Napakagaling Ayan. Ngayon, makakabasa ka na ng short A CVC words dahil alam mo na yung siyam na letra na pinag-aralan natin ng first term. Okay, ako muna ang mabasa, susundan mo ako, tapos ikaw naman pagkatapos. Maliwanag po ba? Okay, start na po natin. Ah, t. Pag pinagsama natin yan ay magiging mat. Mat. O di kaya yung basahan. Ngayon, ikaw naman. Okay, nabasa mo ba? Very good. Next. S. Ah. T. Pag pinagsama-sama natin ay magiging sat. Sat. Or di kaya say nakaupo. Okay, ikaw naman. Magaling! Diba, madali lang? Okay, susunod naman. K. Ah. T. Cat. Cat. Do you have a cat? May pusa ka ba sa bahay nyo? Or may pusa ka bang alaga? Now, it's your turn. Okay, good job. B. A. T. Bat. Bat. Yan. Yan ang bat. Sa Tagalog ay paniki. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang bumasa. Okay, magaling. At diba, madali lang? A. T. Fat. Fat. Di kaya sa Tagalog ay mataba. Okay, it's your turn. Hey, napakahusay. Next naman. Ah. N. Man. Man. Di kaya, lalaking adult na. Hindi siya bata. Okay? Now, ikaw naman. Okay, very good. K. A. N. Can. Can. Di kaya, sa Tagalog ay lata. Okay? Next, ikaw naman. galing, di ba? Napakadali talaga. Okay. K, A, B. Cab. O, ayan. Taxi cab. Ayan. Halimbawa, yan. Okay. It's your turn. Okay, good job. O, diba? Okay. B, A, N. Ban. Ban. Ibig sabihin ay bawal. Okay. Bawal ang alak. Naban ang alak. Naban ang mga sugal. Okay. Now, it's your turn. Okay. Mahusay. Very good. And last, T, A, B. Tab. Tab. Okay. Tablet. In short for tablet. May tablet ba kayo? Do you have a tablet? Okay. It's your turn. Very good! So, napakadali lang bumasa ng short A CVC words, di ba? So, ayan, basta alam natin ang sounds ng bawat letters. Sahin natin lahat ng binasa natin kanina. So, ayan, sabay-sabay tayo ha. Mat, sat, cat, bat, fat, man, can, cab, ban, tab. Okay. Now it's your turn. Yay! Good job! So, meron ka na ngayong alam na 10 short A CVC words. Para mas matutunan pa ninyo, meron akong papakita. Tingnan ko kung na may natutunan kayo. Mamaya, i-identify nyo kung ano yung nawawalang letter or sounds. Okay po ba? What is the missing letter? Ano po ang nawawalang letter or sound dito? So, okay, meron po tayong 10 seconds para masagutan ninyo or makapag-isip kayo. Time starts now! Okay, ano po ang tamang sagot? The correct letter or sound, the correct letter is letter C with the sound of K. K. Cat. Okay. Palakpakan po ang inyong sarili kapag kayo po ay tama. Okay? Number 2. What is the missing letter based sa picture na yan? Okay? Okay, what is the correct letter or the missing letter? Base sa picture na yan, the missing letter is letter T with a sound of T, T, tab. Okay, tama po ba? So, clap. Okay. Give very good to yourself if you are correct. Okay, next. Number 3. What is the missing letter? Base sa picture na yan na naka-flash sa screen. Okay, what is the correct letter or the missing sound? Okay, the missing sound is very good. It's M or with the sound of Okay, mat, mat, mat. Okay, very good. Number 4. What is the missing letter or missing sound based on the picture? Okay, time's up. The missing letter is B. The missing letter is letter B with the sound of B. Bat. Paniki, di ba? Okay, very good. I hope you got it. Okay, next. Okay, number 5. What is the missing letter or sound? Okay, time's up. The correct letter or the missing sound is S. Letter S. Sat. With the sound of sat. Sa Tagalog ay nakaupo. Okay, very good. Number 6. What is the missing letter? Missing sound. Time's up. The missing letter is letter F with the sound of fat. Fat. Mataba sa Tagalog. Number 7. What is the missing letter or missing sound? Kaya. Okay. Time's up. Missing letter is letter B. B. Ban. B. Ban. O di kaya bawal. Diba? Ban na yan. Ban na ang paninigarilyo sa mga public places. Okay, tama po ba? Very good. Okay. Next, what is the missing letter? Okay, time's up. The missing letter is letter M. 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 Man. Di kaya yung adult na lalaki. Pag sinabi po nating man. Okay, tama po ba? Very good. Okay. Number 9, ano po ang nawawalang letter or nawawalang sound? Okay. The missing letter is letter C. K. Can. Can. Okay, lata sa Tagalog. Okay, tama ka po ba? Very good if you are correct. And last, ano po ang nawawalang letter? Okay, time's up. Okay. And nawawalang letter ay letter C with a sound of cab. Cab. Okay, taxi cab. Ibig pong sabihin yan. So, ilan po ang yung nakuha? Okay, if you are perfect. Okay, okay lang po yun kapag hindi po nakuha lahat. Pwede naman pong i-review ito at paulit-ulit na panoorin. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and thank you for participating in this video lesson. Thank you, my dear learners, for listening and participating in this video lesson. I hope you learned something. Again, this is Learn with Teacher Judy. See you next time. Always take care and God bless us all.